On a quiet street in Kobe, there's a house so small you could easily walk right past it without noticing. Built on a plot of just under 37 square meters, this 3-story wooden home by Fujiwaramuro Architects challenges a familiar idea: what if a home doesn't need more space, just better thinking? At first glance, the site feels almost impossible, squeezed tightly between neighboring buildings. But instead of resisting the limitation, the design leans into it, turning constraint into its strongest asset. Step inside, and the experience shifts completely. Rather than dividing the house into isolated rooms, the architects create a vertical flow of space, where each level feels visually connected to the next. Slatted wooden floors, open sightlines, and a central vertical void allow daylight to travel from the roof all the way down to the ground floor. It's a subtle but powerful move. Even though the footprint is small, the house never feels boxed in. Instead, light becomes the main architectural element, quietly expanding the sense of space. The layout itself tells a story of careful prioritization. The ground floor accommodates the essentials: entry, bathroom, and even a compact parking space, while the second floor becomes the social heart, with a combined kitchen, dining, and living area. Above, the third floor holds the private rooms, where even the children's bedrooms are reduced to just a few square meters, cleverly integrated with built-in bunk beds. Every inch is considered, not just for function, but for how people move, interact, and live together in close proximity. And maybe that's what makes this home resonate beyond its size. In a culture where bigger often feels better, this house offers a quieter perspective that comfort doesn't come from excess, but from connection. The openness between floors encourages interaction, the compact layout simplifies daily life, and the carefully framed views, whether toward the skylight or across the interior, remind you that space is as much about perception as it is about dimension. In the end, this tiny house doesn't feel small at all, it feels intentional.